Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shades of Made. Today we will learn how to turn a normal image into a painting art. Let's dive right into it. So for this design we'll be using this image. It is in the link in the description below. So let's start by first converting this image to black and white. Create clipping mask. Darken a little bit. Okay, let's darken it to be like this. Yes. Okay. Now let's drag in our image. Drag this image like this. Let's rotate it to 90 degree. 90. Expand that down. Okay. We'll now change the blending mode to overlay. So you can decide to drag your image to any length or size. For this, let's leave it like this. Okay, what should be like this? Okay, let's leave it like this. Let's leave it like this. Okay. Good. So let us create a layer mask here. B for brush. Let us clean out the eyes a little bit. A little bit like this. Now you can increase the brush size for the hair. For the hair and the hand, let's do like this. For the ear, you can actually zoom into some areas to check. Let's go up like this. Sorry. To check like this. So you clean gently. Brush gently. Reduce the brush size. Like this, gently. So you drag in the third image, the third image. Okay. So we want to work on the hand. So change the blend mode to overlay rather. Now this is subject to your preference. So let us do like this. Okay, the same way we did for the first image. Brush, the B for brush, clean out the unwanted areas. Ctrl Z. Clean out the unwanted areas. Unwanted areas, you can reduce the brush. You can zoom in. For my design, I did a detailed one, but for this tutorial it's just to give you an idea on how it is done. So you can clean it. You can clean this if you want. Okay, can clean this brush. Now let us Ctrl J it, duplicate the layer. You can as well drag it here. Ctrl T, flip horizontal. Okay, you can do like this. Yeah, let's leave it like this. Let's leave it like this. Now okay, come back to your layer, B for brush, click on this layer, B for brush. You can gently scrub these areas out. Ctrl Z, sorry, let me zoom in. I gently did mine. Okay, I think we are done with this. Click like this, at least it's looking more realistic. So you can actually work on this. You can give it some touches, the ones the areas you feel you can actually work on. This is just a rough work. You can work on the ones on the areas you want to work on rather. So thank you for watching. Then finally, I will actually go to my camera. Let me export this image first. Export this image. Let me put it on my desktop first. Click OK. Desktop. So we want to add the camera raw filter to it. So this is my image. Let's drag it in Photoshop. I'll do like this. Control Shift A for camera raw. Let's wait while it's loading. Now I can actually add lighting to it if I want. Lighting, so the contrast is too much. Let me leave it like this. Okay, probably clarity, saturation, texture. If you want to, it's subject to the designer. So here I can decide to add more colors to it. More colors like this to make it look more vibrant. Depends on you. Click OK. Yes, exactly. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel.